Hey everybody, Jason Dalbey here. I'm excited because we are on location at 2955 Vallejo, right here in the heart of the Highlands neighborhood in Denver. And we are joined with Brandon Kaufman with Capstone Real Estate. And this is actually his listing. It just hit the market, but I wanted to give you kind of a sneak peek and just show you around. So thank you, Brandon. Yeah, appreciate this. So tell us a little bit about the property here.
So the property itself is 18 apartment units, all 2 bedrooms. There's 1 studio, so 17.2 is 1 studio. The biggest contributing factor is it is also coming with a house and lot next door.
Okay, so the lot to the north, it's a corner lot. We'll go by that and show that to you. So that's included in the sale. Okay, so fill us in. You said 18 units. What's the price?
4.9.
4.9, okay. And how does that price out as far as the cap rate goes?
In terms of cap rate, you know, it's a lot of moving pieces on this deal. The biggest one is what you value that house at.
Right.
So subtracting, you know, that value of $550,000, $600,000, you're looking right at a incoming cap rate about 4.5, 4.6.
Okay.
With the possibility, and this is a value add deal, so with the possibility of making this north of a 5 cap.
Okay, and so value add, we're renovating the units, we're raising the rents here. I mean, that's the play?
Yep, it is professionally managed, but there is the ability to raise rents through renovations. You know, there's minor deferred maintenance throughout, but at the same time, all the systems are in good shape. Everything's looked at, and taken care of really well.
Okay.
I'm a professional property manager, so it is a lot of just, you know, cosmetic turns, so a lot of superficial turns here.
Okay, and I can't stress enough how awesome this location is as far as, you know, just an investment goes, but then also as a, you know, a tenant who may want to live here. So let's go in, let's check out this unit that we have. This one's vacant for us. All right, so here we are inside this vacant unit. About how many square feet is this?
It's about 600 square feet.
And they're all identical layouts, all of that?
Yep.
Okay, and so 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Clearly some cosmetic updates can be made here. This is, you know, there's a lot to be desired, left to be desired with this kitchen. So one of the things too that we see recently is probably taking this wall down, wouldn't you think?
I mean, with these, you know, being 600, 650 square feet, for 2 people to live in, you want it to be as open as possible.
Right.
So when, you know, looking at these renovations, you try to do as little as you can without, you know, having to pull permits or without having to
Sure.
you know, mess with anything structural or electrical. And so this is kind of a superficial wall that can be taken down. There's nothing really behind it.
Right.
And it's not load bearing in any sense.
And I could easily see continuing the kitchen over this way, using this space, right? And then have a bar top right there. Okay, so what's the average current rent here right now?
Right about 1,300.
1,300, and where do you think that can go with these upgrades?
So the demand for a 2-bedroom in the Highlands is great, and there's not a lot of products, especially with older products. Some new construction has it.
Right.
I mean, when you look at potential rents, you kind of just put it directly below what the new construction is.
Okay.
So we envision this being 1,650 to 1,700.
Okay.
2-bedroom here.
Okay, and with modest, I mean, you know, take some lifting, but not over the top, right?
Right. No.
Yeah. Okay, and then so we got the 2 bedrooms back here, and the bathroom, of course, needs some upgrading as well. So if you want to poke your head in there, Gio. So in one of the 2 bedrooms, and this is pretty representative for the area, right?
Yep.
I mean, nothing really to do here. Maybe change out the carpet and maybe brighten it up with some paint. So newer windows, though. You said the roof is decent.
In good shape.
Okay. All right. Let's go take a look at the house around this side and see where that can become. All right. So one of the other unique things is that it looks like it has, you know, plenty of parking over here. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. There's an abundance of parking, which is rare for this area.
And is that being optimized? Is he charging for
He's
that?
began charging for them, so it varies from space to space. So ideally, for the next person, they bring them all up to market.
Right, right, okay. So there's obviously ways to improve the income, but then this is one of the unique features about this deal, as we see the chickens back there. This house is also included in the sale, and so it's a nice corner lot here, and I can't stress to you how convenient this is to restaurants and bars and all sorts of activity, easy into downtown. So it's an A+ location, and this just, you know, there's a lot that we can do with this. Either build something, tear it down. It can certainly be improved, so, or sold off if you wanted. So. All right, so we're just out front here. I mean, again, this is a killer location. It's a fairly, I'd say, easy lift as far as getting the units renovated here. There's certainly upside in the rents. Probably, I mean, if you came in with the right strategy, I mean, this could maybe be flipped. Potentially. Probably a better long-term hold strategy that you take with this, though. It's really, you're just going to be able to raise rents, you know, hopefully year over year, and values are going to go up. So thank you again so much for giving us this opportunity. Hey guys, if you have any questions or you like the video, please like it. If you're interested in this property, please give me a heads up, and we'll put Brandon's information here as well. So thank you very much.